In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magnific AI Mobile for e-commerce. We'll move through the process on your phone so you can create polished, on-brand visuals without leaving your mobile workflow. Start by opening Magnific AI on your device. Once you're in, look to the bottom navigation bar and tap AI Suite. From there, choose Generate Images. This is where all your creative work begins. Now decide how you want to start. You can type a custom prompt or you can create from a template. Templates are organized into helpful categories like branding, social media, and advertising, which gives you a strong head start for common e-commerce needs. If you're writing your own prompt, be specific. Include the product type, color, material, finish, angle, background preference, and any brand vibe you're aiming for. Clear inputs lead to clearer outputs, especially for product accuracy. Next, tap the settings icon to fine-tune the generator. Here you can choose a mode, such as Google Banana or other available options. Modes influence the look and feel, things like sharpness, stylization, and realism. For clean catalog images and marketplace listings, lean toward crisper, product-focused modes. For lifestyle ads, a slightly more stylized mode can help your visuals stand out in feeds while still keeping the product front and center. Set how many results you want and pick an aspect ratio that fits your channel. A square 1:1 is great for marketplace thumbnails, 4:5 suits, many social feeds, and 16:9 works well for banners or widescreen placements. Choosing the right ratio now saves time later. When you're ready, tap Generate. Rendering can take a bit, especially if you requested multiple variations, so don't worry if it's not instant. You can navigate back and tap Work at the bottom to monitor progress and view the finished images as they appear. Open each result and check details like edges, reflections, and brand consistency. If something's off, adjust your prompt or settings and generate again. With a few quick iterations, you'll have on-brand, high-converting visuals ready for your e-commerce channels.